see you're here with us again. Do we have news, developments?
Just for the record, they went yesterday to go get a meet with my client at the office. I went over there, they went over there, they listened to what the doctor had to say. He has pneumonia, he will be released maybe until the 19th. I spoke with him, the DA investigator left. I spoke with him. He takes 2 oxygen, 10 milligrams each every 4 to 6 hours.
Okay.
And he has to take that. He's in a situation that he gets put under a stressful situation, he'll have to crash. There'll be a crisis situation to be back over there. I spoke to him to save my place. He said he made a statement 10 years ago. He said, I don't remember what happened yesterday sometimes. So he's in a bad situation. They have a statement. If they want to get the statement in, that's fine. But he is not going to take a stand respectfully.
Well, he is if I tell him to.
No, I understand. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is he's not going to take a stand without a clear head. He has to take his medication. And the doctor even made a comment when I asked him, about his mental ability to understand what's going on if he's taking his medication. He said, no, he would have problems. So I'm going to ask you allow me to prepare an order, allow him to go home. His grandmother died yesterday or day before. He wants to go to the funeral. We will give you, you can wear a GPS monitor. He is not going anywhere. He's extremely sick.
Ms. Love.
Reasons that are apparent. We had someone there, and I was appreciative of Mr. Schott going with us. But what the doctors said is that medication would not affect his ability to recall, to think clearly. And in fact, he could have been released as early as today. And they said that they would keep him no later than the 19th. The touch of pneumonia is not what is keeping him. It is his reported pain level that he has given them that they are keeping him to monitor. So based on the information that we have, and Your Honor, is this something that the court wants filmed?
Doesn't matter to me. Go ahead.
Okay. Based on the information that we have, I don't believe that a conversation regarding where he goes from the hospital beyond here is necessary, because once he is released, we would like him to be brought right here to put up his testimony before there's anything else that interferes with his appearance and compliance with the subpoena he's been served.
All right.
Just one more thing. I asked the district attorney yesterday, she gave me a copy of the material witness report. She said she would.
And
We go ahead and allow us to speak to the doctor with the DA. I asked her for that, so she doesn't have it. So I think I'm entitled to that, because I think there's some problems with it, but the only way I could address it is through you. She's not giving it to me. She said she would.
And Your Honor, I don't mind providing a copy of that to Mr. Scheid. The issue, and that's a wholly separate issue from the matter of what's going on right now. And I believe that part of what is happening is related to what Mr. Scheid and I conversed about 2 days ago that I will not broadcast to the world. But I believe that we need to handle his client's compliance with this subpoena and his appearance in court. And we'll give him whatever he needs. He hasn't told me what he believes is a problem with it.
Well, I guess he hadn't seen it yet. Ms. Percival, we have a copy, don't we? We can give you a copy right now.
Judge, what I'm asking is just release him, let him go back.
I understand that's what you're asking, but I'm not going to do that. I already have given the okay that as long as, and it sounds like the doctors aren't saying that he's not able to testify. So if he's going to come from the hospital upon release to here to testify, that's what's maybe the best way to handle it, and then he'll be finished, and then he can.
That's fine, just as long as the court understands if he's made to come here, and put in a crisis situation, he could die. I mean, his situation is bad, and I
All
understand.
right, well, I understand that that's what he is representing to you, but he also might potentially have reasons to want to make it seem as dire as possible. And I would think that we'd be able to trust the doctors with regard to, did Ms. Love, and maybe this is something to approach about, but do you have, I understand that you said that the doctors said the medications he's taking shouldn't have any impact on his ability to think clearly or recall. Did y'all at all discuss anything about, is he in some kind of a condition where any amount of stress is gonna make him fall out and die?
Well, that's
Oh,
not-
well,
I'm asking Ms. Lev, hang on just a second.
Actually, our investigator and another chief ADA went down there, and the indication that he gave was that it would not harm him, because I believe that Mr. Scheid broached the question of the impact it could have on him, and the
Okay.
doctor indicated that it would not have an adverse impact on him. But to be certain, I would rather that particular ADA or the investigator that overheard that conversation relay it more accurately as we can. But that is my understanding of what they
All right,
said.
and we can certainly have medical, people on standby.
Well, I was there and listened to the doctor, that's wrong what she said. He said it would have an impact. It takes 2 oxycontin. He said it would have an impact on anybody, but that's fine.
All right, why don't we, before the lunch break, hear from
Awesome.
whomever that was the other party to that? And if you want to come get a copy of the material witness warrant,
Judge could also,
do you want a copy of the affidavit as well?
if he's brought over here, I can't stay at the hospital, I can't stay here. But if he's brought over here, I'll be notified. So I
I
can be-
would certainly expect that you would be notified as soon as the state knows anything about it.
The state's gonna notify me?
We would not, yes, we would not have him. I'm not going to deal with him, Zachary, without Mr. Scheid.
So yes, that's a yes, right?
As long as
That
you-
is a yes.
Okay,
Thank you.
all right, you're welcome. Okay, you have your next witness ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else before we
Got it.